There are three ways you can enjoy the chalk products that you see in today's video. You can either pick them up at my store in the links below. You can join Club Couture, which will send you a transfer once a month for $19.95. And, kind of like a subscription box essentially, so that you always get a surprise in the mail. Or you can become a designer yourself, and there are links for all three of those things below. Welcome back. I just wanted to come back and give you a fun little spring release haul because I got a little crazy when I went shopping just because there were so many cool colors of paints, and I was like, gee, I really want all these things. Anyway, so I have 3 boxes. Well, like 2 envelopes, like a thin envelope, like a transfer thin envelope, and then like a bigger envelope that's got paste and tools and stuff, and then a box that has kind of all the frames. And you could probably hear my cat because he says hello as well. I also wanted to say thank you very much to one of the other members of the group for sending me this guy because they were a club exclusive and you can't get them, but I just really love the sentiment. I mean, it's just so nice. Anyway, thanks everybody, and as usual, if you have thoughts on these videos, feel free to drop me a note. I am going to spin you around and show you all the stuff I got. Alrighty, well, that didn't record, so I'll just walk you through it again. So I got a whole bunch of A-size transfers that I thought were just killer in this release. I got the F-bomb one because that was the first one I saw that was like, man, I just have to have that. And the other one that I felt that way about was this Take Out Is My Favorite Recipe one. I think this would be super cute on a cutting board or on, just something mounted on your fridge generally. And then I got Done Is Better Than Perfect because it's just one of my favorite slogans, actually. I had it on a couple pencil holders and things like that at my job for many years. And then I had to buy this one, both for the glass and also just because the sentiment is very my aunt. So, I don't know. I think I'll get a lot of use out of this one. Plus, it's really summery and fun, and I don't know. I can just see it on, a refinished wood palette kind of thing. Then I got the Todaying... That's Enough Todaying for Today, which I hadn't seen this one before, but I like the font and I love the sentiment. So it's kind of crazy. These are all A-size transfers, and I think they're at least all new to me. I don't know how many are actually new in this release or not. But I mean, to me, it's like a lot of these I'm going to use multiple times and they're just a killer value. Anyway, I craft a ton, so I had to get the craft minis, so I'm looking forward to using that. And then I got this Tomorrow is Full of Possibilities. I just like the sentiment on this one. It looked like something that would be just a really nice thing to see as you're walking down the stairs in the morning. So that's sort of envelope number 1. So I will grab the... I think I'll go to the box next because there's fewer things in that. So it'll be easier to deal with. Well, here you go. This is the surface haul, essentially. I started out because I just love these board and bases, and I think these would be really nice too if you put magnets on the back to use just the board on the fridge or maybe on another frame. Anyway, so I picked up 2 of those, and I had to get the birds. I just thought the actual prints on these were super cute. So they were the ones that I was the most interested in. So they're very spring summer themed with flowers and motivational words and that stuff. And then I got the cutouts as well. And I'm really impressed that they actually included adhesive. So it's not that I don't have a box of adhesive, but it's really cool that for someone who didn't have adhesive that you'd have the ability to have something like that. Anyway, so, and of course you have a lot of options here with basically 2 different prints for each bird. And I don't know how many wings are included, but I think you could basically do one on one side and one set on the other, and then turn them around every so often. I also saw that people were drilling holes in the bottom of the birds and then mounting them on the Chalkmade Junior kit that's out now with the photo frames, where basically you could just rather than having a photo holder there, you could put a bird there. So that was pretty neat. I'm kind of interested to maybe get a second set of these and try that with them. Because there are a lot of the a lot of the transfers that are made for the sides of that Chalkmade Junior kit are just really cute, and they're things I think I could use. Plus, they would be good for ink on mugs and things of that nature. And then this is a 9x12 boutique board. And this one, I don't know if this is the black one or not. Let me grab my scissors quick. And here we go. Oh, I lied. This isn't, I don't know. Ah, what a surprise. Okay, this is another box frame, which this is the 9x12 box frame. So I don't know. It's very much like the 5x7. I want more of the 5x7s because I really had fun with that one for my Your Craziest Showing project. So anyway, that one was that. These I'm really liking the look on. They are single-use surfaces, but they're extremely well made, and they're basically double use because you have the backside that you could use as well. Plus, after like a single use, you could definitely get the chalk paste off. It's just you'd probably ruin this coating a little bit, so you'd probably wind up having to distress it or refinish it when you're done. Anyway, let me grab the last bag. And this is the contents of the last box. So I finally got myself a real fuzzing cloth, so like I can be all teal with these and my squeegees and all my cool accessories. Anyway, I'm excited about that. And then I got a bunch of ink and paste. So this is surface wax. I get this primarily for layering issues. I live in the Midwest, and you know it's basically not humid here. I do appreciate that they like bag the wax separately. It comes in a really nice tin, actually, like sort of like a shoe polish tin. Yeah, and the wax basically smells like paraffin, which is to say it smells like wax. So it's pretty neutral, which is nice. I don't know. I think I'm going to mostly use that on paper, but we'll see. Anyway, let's get into the pastes I got. Now, this is interesting because I want to say this is orchid and this is plum. So this one's a lot pinker. So that's nice. I mean, I could see these working really well together because they're sort of maybe one tone apart from each other. And then I got, I believe I want to say this is Seafoam. I'm wrong. Shimmer Eucalyptus, which is, I don't know, I think it's nice. It's almost like it almost borders on teal. Like obviously, like this is a true teal, but I don't know, it's like a bluish sided teal. And it looks very shimmery. I got Couture Teal because I had to. Plus, I think it works pretty well with Lakeshore. I mean, I think these are very much in the same color palette. As is Tide, which I got in ink, but obviously it comes in a paste too, which hopefully I'll have soon. And then I got Shimmer Silver, I want to say. Yeah, that one's named like a normal thing. And then Orange Peel. Mostly because, like, I feel like teal and blues and, like, blues and oranges, like, this is really my color palette. Like blues and greens and oranges are really my thing. So, excited about that. Yeah, so now I have 3 colors of ink. I have these 2 blues. This is Tide, and this one is also Couture Teal. Just for, I guess, point of reference, looking at the 2 Couture Teals next to each other, they look almost identical, which is kind of nice. I like that when in a line, like, the colors are the same regardless of the product you buy, because then you don't have to, like, figure it out. Anyway, and Tide, and then I had the black before. I don't know, there's a few other colors of ink I definitely want to get to sort of extend the range. But again, blues are basically my jam, so I'm really excited to play with all this stuff. And I think I'm going to have some projects coming out this weekend just because I have so much cool stuff to try out. Talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching.